Hey everyone! So we were on the road trip to Fukui, Japan, and we found this hotel online that looked, well, a little different. It's called Our Night the Yak. And guess what is so special about this hotel? Because they use the shipping container as a hotel room. Yep, you heard that right. And what's really cool is that this concept is so successful, they have expanded all over Japan now, so you can probably find one on your trip too. We decided to book a night to see what it looked like to actually sleep in the box. Was it weird? Amazing? So let's check it out together. First impressions? This place is so much cooler than I expect. Even the check-in office is a container. It's a small, but you know what? It's packed with everything you could possibly need. Here is like a convenience store. They got a free coffee or tea machine, free pajamas, toothbrush, a razor, all the personal care stuff. This is so typical of the amazing Japanese service. You really don't need to bring any toiletries at all. But the biggest surprise, when I check in, they hand me a bento box. I had no idea my reservation is included a meal. How awesome is that? This is a really happy surprise for me. Okay, moment of truth. Time to see our room. That is it, our home for the night. And honestly, it's way bigger on the inside than I thought it would be. Look at this, we got a super comfy double bed, and also that's the most important thing is air conditioning, especially under super hot now in Japan. And a TV on the wall, and check it out, there's a microwave. This is perfect because I can heat up that surprise bento box later and have a poppy meal right here while watching a movie. Wow, this is so convenient. After settling down and get everything set, it's time for me for my dinner. This is a little surprise of my bento box. Voila! This is my yakisoba. Well, taste is not bad, honestly. It's compared to the konbini, I think it tastes the same, honestly. So after the dinner, now is for the most important part, the bathroom. It's a proper, modern, and also compact. You see, they also have a bathtub. Even under this tiny container hotel, they have a bathtub. This is so traditional Japanese style. It has everything you need and seriously clean. You see, they have almost everything you need at the bathroom, so basically you don't need to bring your own toiletries. For a budget hotel, this place got a top mark. First, the location is great. Even if the bento isn't your thing, there's a ton of the fast food chains and the convenience store nearby, so you can able to find whatever you love to eat. Oh yes, that's another game-changing thing here. They have a corn laundry and the vending machine just right on the spot. You see, sometimes when you travel, laundry is one of the things that's really hustle. But here is no more searching for the laundromat in the string city. If you are coming from overseas, you can just do your laundry right here. It makes this place perfect for a long trip. Oh, that's another thing I would love to mention is because I thought it was so cool. We noticed there's a lot of motorcyclists staying here, and it makes perfect sense. I just saw them park their bike or motorcycle right outside their container. It's like having their own garage. How fun is that, right? So finally, my thought, Honestly, I have to tell you, this is so comfortable hotel I have been staying so far, and it's so quiet. You know what? Because Shinkansen is just right next to the container. At the beginning, I took the earplugs. I thought it will be very noisy, but honestly, when I shut the door, it's so isolated. I don't hear anything, and also the first night we check in, it was raining, and I didn't hear any raining noise from outside. It's so quiet. So my conclusion is, if you are looking for a cheap, clean, super unique, and a surprisingly gorgeous place to stay in Japan, I highly recommend this R9 The Yacht. It's more than just a bed, it's a whole convenient and a fun experience. If you have ever stayed in a container hotel, or you are already in some kind of hotel is very extraordinary, please share with me and let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more of our adventure around Japan or outside Japan. Your like and your subscription will make my day. Thank you so much for your time to watching. See you next one. Bye.